baby is clean. It's so clean. Getting this Deadner put in there. Got the hose cut for the 0 gauge grommets fit through. Spraying some roll bar and chaser spray. So self-priming, rust and corrosion resistant. Prime the suspension. So it'll be good for the firewall. I just don't want nothing, no water to seep through and then something happen crazy. But these grommets pretty good, man. They got a rubber seal on the side that, my bad. They got a rubber seal on the side that connects it to the car. So won't nothing get right here. And then on this side, it's a rubber seal inside, and then when I tighten it, it tighten up the wire that's inside. But let me show you how it looks when it's tight. Look right here. Boom. It's nice. I like them. But yeah, let me continue to get this stuff out and then get these panels off so I can get this Deadner in there. Headliner probably jump on tomorrow, but almost there for this stuff. And it's getting interesting. Strip the whole thing. Yeah, so I repurpose a lot of the Deadner. Trying to use little as possible now. That's all we got left. Still gotta do the roof. We're gonna need like 3 to 6 more sheets. So yeah. But so the main purpose is to fill all the holes on the side panels and doors, so you can fill all the holes so the air won't get through there, hold the air in. So yeah, man, it's almost there. Gotta start putting it back together, putting the floor back in and all the other little stuff. Seats, I think I got like hours on. Yeah, hours on. So I should be able to get the front carpet back in, front seats, back carpet, all that little stuff. So I'm gonna leave the panels, side panels off so I can be able to access the headliner easily. Ain't too much. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. The lights, and then that stuff in the middle with the mirrors. And this whole thing drop down. This too. It's all clips. Same thing with the front one. But yeah, man. Safe to say, my price just went up. Yeah, man. I'm getting a picture right here. Y'all see work. Yeah. I got some zip ties for this, but this I actually curved this wire a little bit, twisted it, made it go like y'all be able to tell once I put the zip ties on it. But yeah, man. Yeah, y'all see it. Nice grommets. It's gonna run all the way back to that rack I made that I gotta do some adjustments on. But yeah, man, time to start putting the interior back in right now. Still gotta do the headliner part. I only have like 3-4 sheets Deadner left. Probably say like 6 more sheets. So I thought the truck battery was bad. I guess not, because I let it sit for a while. Yep, so the battery good. Waiting on these pieces to come for the front, and then we can actually do some other stuff. Man, look at these amazingly low prices for single bolts. On the left side, $77.58. Hey, you will not see these numbers at Ace. Trust me. I go there every other day, if not every day. I'm just here in shop, man. But it's a 30-minute drive to this Home Depot. I'm not trying to talk too loud. There's a lot of people in the house. But dang, man, this is crazy. Anyway, I just got the wood cut for the false floor for the box. So this was particle board, cheaper than MDF, but it's gonna be here, so it won't really be seen. It's much heavier, but it'll do the job for what I'm trying to do. So I was just trying to be eco-friendly. We got nuts and bolts. So y'all see 77%. And then the boat was 21 cents, and the washers 22 cents each, half inch washers. So it's about $5. And this is 20 bucks. And then we got the rest of it. Gonna try to make the same shape. We'll just piece them together. And look who's there. There's the girls. And then I got this here. Me, it's all me. This is for some fiberglass stuff. So hopefully I can try to get some of that done while I'm on leave. L dog, Logie Bear. What you drinking? Pepsi. Why are you drinking pop? Yep, so let's go ahead, try to stick this in the car. Not sure how it's gonna work, but it's gonna work. So what I'm about to do is cut one of those sheets to shape, lay the other ones on top, and then I'm just gonna double it from there. And I'm gonna, to get the edges and everything, the flush trim bit that I'm always talking about, I'm gonna flush it to the shape, and then hopefully it's easier to cut than MDF, which I think, because it's a whole bunch of different like pieces of metal glued together instead of a whole bunch of dust compact, which is what MDF was. So hopefully it cuts easier, because I don't want it to take long. I'm gonna use a roundup a bit on the edges, and then I got some fleece right here in the back. Wrap the false floor up, staple it at the bottom, get the bolts through for the box, mount the box to the false floor, and then the false floor is going to be mounted to the truck with the D-rings that's attached. So I need to go get like 4 bolts that's the size of the D-rings, and then we'll be set. But I have to get it in there, get all my holes pre-cut, all that stuff. All right, make that cutout for this. Hopefully, look, she bumping. Hopefully, it just sit in perfect. This is my first attempt. So let me go on here and do that right now. Boom. Boom. So yeah, so I'm just gonna have to cut you. All right, let me go ahead and do this. All right, this is what we got, man. So I'm gonna end up just dropping the box on, see what I got, and then rounding these edges since this came so far forward. So see the box stop here, I'm gonna just round all of. So this is gonna be round in, I guess, because there's no way that I could have. I mean, it's a way, but it would have just took way too long to try to fill this gap in. Matter of fact, while I'm talking, I might be able to do it with this stuff over here. Yeah, so I might be able to fill it in. It'll take a lot more time though, man. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make it happen. Fill that in. But man, let's stick the last one in over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make that happen. Give me a second. Boy, it's getting hot out here. I probably gonna have to get me a tent, man, cause I do work right here. Whenever can't fit in the, and then anything you're extra dusty, try to go outside with it unless it's cold. It ain't getting no cold no time soon, boy. Jesus, it's hot. So I end up making that edge. I'm about to test it out and see how it fits. Flip it over, sand it down, feel the other side. I'm gonna put some glass on it, probably. Put some bundle here, I mean. But so far so good, man. I was able to get the other 2 pieces on. I'm gonna have to flush the bolts that's gonna go attached to the back there. I'm gonna see if I can try to use these 2, but I mean, ain't gonna be no guarantee on these 2. It's gonna kind of look weird too if I put it right there and then it's not on the other side. So I'll probably just end up just going with those back 2, and then yeah, we about to do a test fit real quick, see what it's looking like. Yes, sir. It's in there. I dig it. I dig it. So I'm gonna clean it up, knock the other side out, I have a base for the router to go across, so I might go ahead and put that top piece on. Get the amp rack back there again, put the sub box on top, make my marks, bolt these boys down, do another test fit, wrap this in the carpet, staple it. Once that's bolted down, I'm on to wiring that alternator. All right, man. So I didn't make enough for the top, so I ended up having to cut that shape, blast it on, and then I flipped over, sanded all that extra bundle down, and blast this side. So all in all, man, this is coming along. The router, this router, got 3 now. This router here, the screw came out of the bit, and then the wheel fell down, so it came in a little bit. So fill that in. About to start sanding that down, and then drop the speaker box on, put it back in the car, drop the speaker box on, get my mountain hose, drill them boys in, cover this up, mount the box to this, and then work on getting that alternator right up. I'm about to take off, gotta go pick up the kid from school. So I replaced the idler pulley on here. Yeah, I'm all over. I'm doing some of everything, but hopefully tonight, man, I get that base test. I don't really know now because a couple things went wrong on here, so it's still moving along. I don't got too much to do. I need to see if I got 12 8-gauge ring terminals. I don't think I do. I need 1 for the outside, 4 for the inside of the box, 4 for the outside of the box, and 4 that's gonna go to the Steve Mead terminals. So, cutting about a long shot. I know I am already. You know I am. Oh yeah, I can see it right now. I'm gonna clear. 6, 7. I got 7. Definitely don't think I'm making it now, man. We stuck at the daycare. I was rushing. Locked the keys in the car. Cadillac is right past this Ford. Sad story, man.